Hi, I'm Susie. First-time home buyer, or are you ready to move up to more space? You'll find what you want at the Meadows at Fairway Pines. This scenic community in Painesville Township offers single-family and estate homes. The variety here lets anyone find the right size at the right price. This is the lowest priced new construction in the area with its own community pool and pool house. These innovative new designs offer up to 5 bedrooms, bright open interiors, and craftsman-style exteriors. Several feature first-floor owner suites. They all include a 2-car garage, and many have the option for 3 cars. The open plans and great kitchens are ideal for everyday living or special entertaining. For more entertaining space, you can include a full finished basement. Home sites come in a variety of sizes, up to a spacious 1/4 acre or smaller for the easiest care. Fun is never far from home, from dining and shopping in downtown Painesville to the trails and waterfalls of Payne Falls Park. With a location so close to Route 2 and I-90, an easy commute will give you more time to enjoy everything, and your children will enjoy quality educations at Riverside schools. Click the orange Contact Us button today to find your just right new home at the Meadows at Fairway Pines.